How to fix the missing gold notes on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that there is a new feature on Instagram by which you can add gold notes or the color of your notes will turn into gold? Yes, to receive it, first of all make sure you have the latest version of Instagram downloaded. Visit your Play Store, search for Instagram, and if there's an update button, tap on it. Once that is done, in order to get the gold notes, tap open your Instagram application and get logged in. Once you have logged in using your credentials, you can go to your profile section or the messages. After that, tap on the note section. Now, keep in mind that if you want the gold feature, you need to include the keyword gold on your notes. For example, if you just write gold and tap on share, the note will turn into the golden color. However, if you do not put the keyword gold and write in other text, you might not receive the gold feature. Which means if you share just hi, you can see that the color does not change. So make sure if you want the golden feature to include the keyword gold on your notes. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We will surely come up with such interesting videos. Till then, keep watching.